Good morning everybody, I hope everybody's having a lovely day. The weather is awful, I've been out in it. It is raining, it is cold. So anybody who goes outside today, here in England, wrap up. It might be different for those in the south, but up in the north, it's not good. Now, in my previous video, I did a pre-warning video. I don't know whether you've seen it or haven't seen it, but I told you lovely viewers that I was going to talk about releasing budgies into the wild. Now, under any circumstances, you should not do this whatsoever, because you might as well be sending your budgie to its death, basically. And I'm not kidding. The chances of survival for a budgie, especially when it's been domesticated, is 0%. No joke. As you know, it's a cruel world out there for any animal, never mind just a budgie. You've got predators, even wildlife that doesn't eat budgies, such as birds. Now you think budgies would fit in with birds such as sparrows, all those kinds of birds, but the chances are other birds will attack your budgie. So please don't do this. It's so easy to do, grab your budgie and open a window and just go, whoo. And you either think it's a kindness or something like that. It really isn't. You're sending your budgie a death sentence by doing this. So I plead, please do not do it. Please. Can you imagine? She's in a cage at the moment because I've not let her out since coming back. I've only been back like a couple of seconds before I started this video. But can you imagine this beautiful creature being in the wild? It would just get attacked. Either attacked, or even the elements of the weather would kill it. Especially where I live. It's really, really cold now. And it's raining and it's damp. Probably wouldn't survive a day. So I think I've covered all I have to say. Basically, if by any reason you thought this was a kindness, it really isn't. If anyone feels they no longer can have a budgie after purchasing one, then a kindness would be to try and rehome that budgie. Because I'm sure anybody would appreciate one of these beautiful birds. Rehoming a budgie is another subject I am going to cover at some point in these little videos I'm doing. So please look out for that. Any videos I've done